So today for homework, you have page 22 and 21 of 6-1. Today in math class, they started to explain or introduce algebra. Now, you started with just doing variables as far as n plus 3 equals 10 and asking what n would be equal to. So you would do 10 minus 3 and that would equal 7. So n would equal 7. Okay? I want you to look at page 22. I know this is going backwards because we're not starting on page 21, but I wanted to go over the top part with you before we got started. If you turn to page 22, it says a variable is a letter or symbol. It represents an unknown amount that can change. You can do mathematical operations with variables and numbers. You can state these operations in word expressions. You can also state them in algebraic expressions. Now, the chart that you have that has been provided is very nice. It says operation, it says word expression, algebraic expression, and other ways of saying that word. So the operation for addition, if you look over it, says the sum of r and 3. So addition means sum. The algebraic expression is r plus 3, and then other ways of saying it are 3 added to r, 3 more than r. Okay? The chart then goes on to explain the subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay? One thing I want you to remember, if you look up here, is sum equals addition, difference equals subtraction, quotient equals division, and product equals multiplication. Okay? So remember that. So if you look down at the next part where we're going to start our homework, it says complete the algebraic expression for each of the following word expressions. I'll do number 1 and 2 with you, and then I want you to go ahead and do the rest yourself. Also by looking up into the chart. It says the sum of b equals 8. You can also look up at my chart that I've made, but sum equals what? You should have addition. You should put the addition sign in between b and 8. Number 2, it says the difference between m and 6. The difference equals subtraction. You should put a subtraction in between m and 6. Okay, it said the next part says circle the letter of the correct word expression for the algebraic expression. It says t minus 13. Is it A, 13 is subtracted from t, or is it that t is subtracted from 13? If you look at that, it is 13 is being taken away from t. So it would be A, 13 is being subtracted from t. You should be able to do the rest of those, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 on your own. If you flip the paper over, it says which shows a phrase. Which shows this phrase, a number divided by 5, as an algebraic expression. Okay, so you have a number, we're going to call it n, so a number, and then you're doing what to that? You're dividing it by 5. So, A, B, C, or D, your answer should be D, x divided by 5. Same thing as n. Variables do not matter. You can use any letter you would like. I'm going to have you do 2 by yourself. And then number 3, I'm only going to do A with you. Okay? So it says, there are P people in Susanna's family, which is an even number. They went to the amusement park for the day. So P equals the number of people that are in her family. So P equals the number of people. Okay? Admission was $15 per person. Write an expression to show the cost of admissions for all of them. If it's $15 per person, you would do P times, or you can use a dot, it means the same thing, times $15. P times $15 is what you need to do. And then you need to write the expression to show it. So it would be P times 15. Okay, so go ahead and do B, C, and D on your own and finish the rest of your homework. Good luck, and I will see you tomorrow.